get it started. I'm kind of whispering. Everybody's asleep. Okay. I guess he's up. I woke him up. Not really. He was already up. Right, babe? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie, if you don't know me. Today's video, we are doing a vlog video. This was actually a week before from when I'm filming this intro, just because I forgot to film a intro. But you guys will see throughout the video we're just hanging out, and I did take you along with me to some stores that I went to just to shop around, and the stuff that I bought I'll actually show you in another video. But yeah, I just wanted to have you come along with us, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Alright guys, so it's about 7 o'clock, 7:30, and just woke up. I went to brush my teeth. Everybody else still is asleep. So if it's a little bit quiet, you can't hear me, it's because I'm trying not to be too loud to wake up everybody else. So I'm just gonna go upstairs, make some breakfast. I'll bring you guys along. I'm not doing anything fancy today. Just gonna be real quick. I got lots of stuff to do today, some errands to run. So I thought it would be nice to bring you guys along to see just what we're doing. So come on. Not even hot.
Actually, can you make mine cold?
Not anymore.
I just wanted to see what you would say.
Okay, so we ate breakfast, and I had to cut CJ's hair, and I cut my brother's hair, and then we got ready, and now we're gonna go out. But I'm looking for some core stuff for my bathroom and to decorate here in the house. So I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby to see what they have, and also to Target and maybe TJ Maxx to see if they have any goodies. Sometimes they have cheaper stuff than the other two places, so we're gonna go there, take you along with us.
I had a dream the other day that your grandma knew how to drive, and she picked me up from work. And when she picked me up from work, somebody cut her off, and she got mad, but she really didn't get mad. She was like,
Oh, like how she gets
Yeah,
mad?
like how she does.
Yeah.
And she was like, and then she said something in Spanish.
Well, she doesn't know how to drive.
Yeah. And it was cute. I was like, she's picking me up.
That's funny because she doesn't know how to drive, so I don't know where Siki's getting that from. But anyways, guys, we're on our way to Hobby Lobby, I think. It's close to TJ Maxx, and then if anything, we'll go to Target. Well, I still need to go to Target anyways because I need to find some coffee and stuff. That's where we're going.
The year was wanting when the first road was built.
1997?
1947.
No, I thought you said 1997. I'm like, no.
It was approved by Harry Truman. We must build roads. The roads must be built.
So weird, babe.
That's how Harry Truman sounds.
That's how he sounds?
No, I don't know how he sounded. I wasn't around.
No, really? No way.
No way.
No way.
No way. What are we looking for at Hobby Lobby?
Just the core.
The poor?
Not the poor.
No, I didn't even say the poor. We're looking for property. It's not called Poverty Lobby.
What is it?
Hobby Lobby, not Property Lobby.
Property lovely.
Property.
Okay, no more. No, we're looking for some decor for the house. I'm gonna do a haul in a different video, not here. So you guys will have to wait for that. But I already got some stuff that is coming from Urban Outfitters, from Amazon. And there's still a few little things that I want to get to just complete everything. So that's why I'm looking either at Hobby Lobby, TJ Maxx, or Target to see if I can find any other things that I can combine to make it look cool or nice.
Pretty cool.
Pretty nice.
People are going to the store to buy some decor. That's what we're going there for. Yeah.
You guys pretend
that we're YouTubers.
Do you guys want to do a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What would you guys do with a YouTube channel?
Making, doing fun stuff. Like some vlogs and stuff when we're out.
We should have like a uncensored channel.
Where you just curse and say whatever the hell you want?
Yeah. Or we get real with the real.
But why do you have to curse to get real?
Well, sometimes you need a curse to feel your like emotions.
Oh, I guess.
Sometimes you need to let the F's out. The F's.
The F's.
The F's. Sometimes you need to say S. S-H. S-H.
S-H.
S-H.
What the hell's S-H?
What bad word starts with S-H?
Oh, it's together. I thought it was two separate words. S-H.
Unless that's H-A double hockey sticks.
Dark face.
We're going to go to Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby.
We're gonna make hobbies
In the lobbies.
in the lobbies.
Oh my god.
You get a lobby and you get a lobby.
What are you, Oprah? You get a hobby. You get a hobby. You all get hobbies.
Because you guys aren't doing anything. So you get a hobby.
Okay, so we're here and we will meet you guys inside. They put in Easter stuff. There's so many cute things. Is this summer stuff? That's cool. Look at all this. The dinosaur backpacks are cool.
If we travel, we can use it.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's our kites, guys. Damn, why are these so expensive? The ones that, what's your face called at the dollar store? Yeah. Oh, these are cool. That's for the kitchen, baby. It's a timer.
I want to see when that's.
Oh, there's like stuff up there too.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, these are so cute for like the kitchen, but that's not what I'm looking for. Isn't that for dogs?
Oh, see.
The cactus stuff. How cute. You know how we say that we should do a tiki party or something like that? We should actually do it this year. You can come here and get stuff. Those are cool, guys. So now we are at TJ Maxx, just looking around. They have tons of shower caps here, and I didn't know that. And I bought one. I still like the one I have, but these are cute too. Now I know they have them here. I had no idea. That's okay. And then we have all this stuff here.
Hi, and baby.
We have new masks. Yeah, they got new masks at Hobby Lobby. The Yoda ones that they're wearing. And CJ already tried his, but it has a baby Yoda on it too. Oh, look at these. Oh, there's big ones right here. They feel soft. I don't know if I like them. They're kind of cute, but at the same time, I don't know if I really.
Here's my outfit, Papa.
Nice. These are kind of cute. For this home, I like it. How much is it? $19.99 from Max Studio. That's cute. I like this one too. Oh, these are cute. That say love on them.
Oh, there's a white one too.
There is?
The gray one.
What does the gray one say?
Love.
Oh, they all say love.
This one says love cheese.
Oh, these are cute with the little hearts on them. For work. Okay, so now that we're done at TJ Maxx, is that where we were? We're gonna go to Target, the last stop of the day. I need to pick up some stuff for our coffee machine and just look around. I think with the decor part, I think we're good. I don't think I need anything else. I didn't show you guys that part when we were shopping just because I don't want you to know what I got yet. Okay, so we are on our way now to Target. Target!
Okay, you're crazy.
Okay, that's enough.
Hey, what's up, dudes and dudettes? We just got done from Target. It was kind of crowded and busy and crazy in there because that's how Target is. We're trying to get out of the parking lot. We really didn't find any home decor stuff there, did we?
No, but like I said, we're good with what we have.
We did get these Cheeto popcorn thingies.
Oh yeah, we can try them.
The cheddar one and the flaming hot ones. So we're gonna see if they're good or not.
We're gonna eat the pizza.
And right now Leslie's ordering pizza, and I'm just explaining to you that we went to Target and it was crazy in there.
The
Busy.
parking lot is busy.
And right now Leslie's gonna drive because I feel kind of tired.
Me too. I'm going to go sleep.
Alright,
I'll have to order it at home.
we'll see you when we get home.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got our pizza and we're gonna sit down and eat, and we're gonna watch WandaVision right now. It came out yesterday, so we're all excited to watch it.
Okay, sit down.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and watch, and then we did buy some new snacks that we want to try out on camera with you guys, so we'll do that later. But right now, just letting you guys know what we're doing. We'll give you guys a review of WandaVision.
No spoilers.
No spoilers, we'll just tell you what we thought about it, and then if you should watch it or not. We also bought these cute little cups at TJ Maxx. They're so cute.
I got.
Yes, you
Sleepy.
got one too.
I have pizza.
And we will see you guys in a little bit.
These are the chips we found at Target I talked about earlier in the vid. They're Cheeto popcorn. That one is a cheddar. And then the other one is flaming hot. Because it's spicy. This is not sponsored, obviously. But you know, YouTube, you have to say that.
Yeah, try it.
Let's try it.
I'm scared.
I took a nap, by the way, and we watched not WandaVision, but I fell asleep, and I still don't understand it anyways with the first episode. So you guys will have to go watch it for yourselves and see what you think. Try the spicy one first, and this one, in case it's too spicy. Okay, get two to try it out. Orange.
Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. That looks creepy.
Okay, first thoughts. What do you think it's gonna taste like?
In my opinion, it might taste
Okay, what do you think it's gonna
Good.
taste like?
I think it's gonna taste like the spicy chicken sandwiches from Wendy's.
Okay.
That's the only thing spicy I've tried.
First thoughts. What do you think it's gonna taste like?
Like a flaming hot Cheeto.
Hey, that was mine.
Yeah, it's just popcorn. We're all getting two?
Yeah.
Okay, drink up.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Both of them at the same time?
Yeah. That's not a hot Cheeto.
No.
It's
It's not
mine.
good.
It's like popcorn with the powder from it.
Yeah. So it just tastes like popcorn with a little bit of the flavor of the flaming hot Cheetos, but that's it. Want to show them the bag?
Oh, that's spicy.
Okay. Okay.
This is what they look
Ethan.
Oh, mine.
So these are the same thing popcorn, the cheddar kind though. So we'll see if they taste like regular Cheetos.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. It tastes like popcorn with cheese,
Yeah.
but not like Cheetos. It's like more mild.
No.
Yeah.
That's good. That's a thumbs up.
Alright guys, so this is the end of today's vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with us. Ethan, Tristan, the Siege. Oh, hi! He's trying to eat our finger. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to
Comment, like,
And hit the freaking bell.
and subscribe. So we'll see you guys at our next one. Toodles!
You blocked me.
Is that all you would do if you would be in front of a camera all day?
Okay, close it.
No.
Womp. Okay. Womp.
Did we leave you in there?